Hello, my name is Joel Ruiz. I'm recording this for Nick Floor's Management 330 Section 001 Fall 2018 class. My web application is a incident database for uh, Luann's Flower Shop. As you can see here, I have the home page set with just a floral background. Uh, did some design on the HTML text. We got a couple links down here and a kind of a description of what the web application is. It's a ticketing tool to submit and track incidents that are break fix. So Luann wanted to hypothetically get out of working in email and spreadsheets, and she wanted a centralized place where she could keep track of different problems going on in her business. So the request was to build a ticketing tool that gave her the ability to have kind of a client-facing portal and allow everyone to make updates to their tickets and submit tickets and have some routing in place for to auto route to the appropriate assignment group. So we'll start by just clicking on the first link, which is going to pull up just an overview of all the current incidents that are already in the database. We have the incident ID, which is going to be the unique identifier. This is going to be auto-populated upon submission. We have the caller, which is going to be the person submitting the incident, a callback number, a category, and depending on the category, the system's going to automatically route to the appropriate assignment group. Incidents, when they're first submitted, they're going to be in an open state, so that gets auto-populated, and then as you go to update the incidents, you can choose to put the record in a work in progress state or a complete state. The created timestamp, that automatically gets generated as well. We have a description of what the problem is, and then the work notes field appears when you go in to update the record as well. And then we also have this link to take us back to the home page. So if we want to create an incident, we just easily click on that link. We just put in for the caller, we can put in, we'll say, Jeremy Fields. And I have some exception handling on the callback number field. So if you put in a phone number that's that's not in the correct format, it's going to give you a little error message saying phone number must be in the proper format, and it gives you a nice little example of that format. And the same thing will happen if you submit, try to insert without a caller name. It'll say there were some errors, you need to put in a name, and a callback number is required. So let's go ahead and put in Jeremy Fields and a callback number. I'm just going to make it up real quick. There we go. Category, we'll go ahead and change to this is a inventory issue, and somebody painted all the roses red. And we'll go ahead and insert this record. And so we can confirm that it got inserted by just going back to the home page and viewing all the incidents. See right here, incident number 10. Everything, the state got auto-populated, created got auto-populated. Perhaps, oh, and then the assignment group got automatically routed to S&H inventory, which is the company responsible for all the inventory problems at this particular floral shop. So now if I go back to the home page, I want to update an existing ticket. I can select which ticket I want to update. In this case, I'm gonna assume the fulfiller position and update the status or the state to work in progress, and I'm going to add some work notes. And I also have the same exception handling on the caller and the callback number here. So if you try to put in a number that doesn't work, it won't let you. So we're going to keep the number as the same, and the update status is going to be I have stopped the culprit, and we're going to just update the state to complete and hit update. And then it takes us back to this overview. We can see that the changes I've made reflect on the overview page, and then we can last but not least is the deletion, and it gives you another list or another view where you can just select the one that you want to delete. I'm going to delete this number 4 because it was created when I was developing the application, and I don't like how it doesn't have a assignment group. So we're going to click that one, and you can see it is now deleted out of the list. Go back to the home page, and that's my application. Thank you for the great semester. Hope to see you next semester. Bye-bye.